Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making something super quick and super tasty. It's lemon chicken with herbs and it's served up with purple sprouting broccoli and smashed sweet potatoes. And so here we have our spices. We've got some turmeric there, we've got some paprika, we've got some lovely fresh ground black pepper, and of course a little bit of salt. Now we'll take a little lemon, cut that in half, and put half to one side. I'm going to grate in the skin. It's unbelievably tasty. And squeeze in the lemon juice. Then I'm going to grate in a very small amount of onion. There's acidity in the onion, which helps the marinade really penetrate into the meat. Then in with 2 crushed garlic cloves. And a small squirt of tomato puree. Pop that in. Then a small amount of sriracha, not too much because that's quite hot. If you haven't got sriracha, you can use some chili powder or chili flakes. Then we'll bring it all together with a drop of olive oil. Then finally some chopped parsley. Pop that in. Now just look at that marinade, guys. Isn't that wonderful? So many flavours in there. Get your chicken breast. Cut that chicken breast in half. Then get it in the marinade. Get that marinade all over, nicely coated. And if you can leave this for an hour or 2 or even overnight, it will get so much more flavour. Now we can boil our sweet potatoes and then get in there and smash them. Prepare the broccoli. Yes, now look at that beautiful sear on the underside of that chicken. And a caramelisation on the lemon. That will give you a beautiful sweet and sour taste. Now we can plate up. Doesn't that look delicious? Lovely char-grilled lemon chicken with herbs. Now for a little taste test. Best part of the video. Well, that is tasty. I'm really impressed. So don't forget, guys, get marinated. Don't miss out. And I'll see you again in the next video. Bye. Now if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.